Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate that. So the woke governor of Illinois recently signed the Safety Act bill, which takes place September 18th, 2023. The Safety Act basically eliminates cash bail for criminals. Now, if you don't already own and carry a firearm, this alone is a good reason to do so. Check this out.
Also breaking tonight, the Illinois Supreme Court rules a controversial part of the Safety Act can take effect statewide this fall.
The decision will make Illinois the first state in the nation to do away with cash bail.
The future of policing in Illinois will change forever as the Illinois Supreme Court rules that the no cash bail portion of the Safety Act is constitutional. Tuesday's ruling shoots down a decision in December by a Kankakee County judge who said it was unconstitutional.
This definitely doesn't help the citizens of the state. It doesn't help those law-abiding citizens maintain their safety, maintain their quality of life.
This is the dumbest thing I have ever heard of. I mean, who votes for these people? I mean, they're just opening the floodgates and letting criminals out on the street. Let's hear what a Illinois state attorney and a sheriff have to say about this.
Unfortunately, there are still some offenses, burglary being one of them. Unless there's injury to a person during the course of the burglary, judges will not have the ability to detain people for burglary if they find that they're a threat to the community.
Clark County Sheriff Bill Brown says the term Public Safety Act is misleading. He doesn't see how it makes the public any safer.
In my opinion, and the opinion of many sheriffs and chiefs, it probably makes the public less safe. We're going to continue to work for the victims of crimes because that's who this is going to affect. The people who are victims of crimes, the criminal is potentially just going to be let right back out to possibly go victimize them again. And that can be scary to the citizens.
Again, this is set to take place on September the 18th.
Well, if you're like me, I'm still trying to figure out where the safe and safety comes from. I mean, they're letting criminals out on the street. And as you heard from the attorney, some crimes such as dope dealers or burglars, even if the judge believes they're a threat to others and maybe a flight risk, does not have the authority to detain them. Now, look at it this way. They're saying as long as they didn't commit a crime that hurts an individual, okay? Now, the difference between a robbery and a burglary is that when you're robbed, they take your possessions through force, intimidation, or fear, maybe use of a weapon. When you're burglarized, they take your possessions because no one is at home, okay? If you're out to dinner and you come home and you have items missing, that's a burglary. It's not a robbery. But I would bet you any money if you came home from dinner while your house was being burglarized, they do have the potential to be dangerous and hurt or kill you. Just like a drug addict or a drug dealer that's strung out on crack or methamphetamine, they absolutely have the potential to be dangerous. So now they're letting criminals out on the street. There's no incentive for police to arrest them knowing they're going to be out tomorrow. They're defunding police. They're trying to take our rights to own a firearm away. And yet they call this the Safety Act. It just makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. And I'm sure that other liberal states are also going to start following suit in this. So if you don't own a firearm and carry one every day, especially if you live in the state of Illinois, for nothing else, this alone is a reason to do that. I'd like to know your thoughts and opinions on this, because to me, this is just absolutely crazy. I mean, who votes for these people? Who would vote for people that would put their life and their family's life at risk? It just makes no sense to me. Leave me your comments. I'd really like to know. Thanks for watching.